Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West, and this is my August subscription. So inside I have a list of the items and how much they cost, so I'll show that at the end. You do get some clothing and some jewelry pieces, and then if there's anything you don't want, doesn't fit, you don't like it, you just put it back in the bag that it came in with the return envelope, and then you only get charged for what you keep. So very simple. Ooh, I like that they send me a lot of colors they don't already have, because I'm a pretty boring person, do a lot of just blacks and navy blue and stuff like that. This is a really pretty shirt. Is this a shirt or dress? Dress maybe? It's super long, and I can see that there's pockets on the side. I've noticed that too. A lot of times with their dresses, they have pockets in them, which is really awesome. Let me check and see what the paper says. Yes, it is a dress, a V-neck sway dress. So it's nice and flowy and oversized. I'll insert a picture at the end so you can see that better. Then we got a couple tops. Black, my favorite color. Oh, so this one's nice and simple. It just has the little peekaboo, the little cutouts. Yes, Jackson.
I found some secret treasure.
Yeah, it's jewelry. I'll show it in just a second. So I like that. That's cute. It's plain, but it has a little something to it. Let's see if it's real long. Yep. That's cute. Have some jewelry. I'll get to that in just a moment. I'm going to look at the other top real quick. So here is the top. Another one with the cutout sleeves. And this is like a reddish kind of burgundy color. Again, very flowy. What I do like about their little profile that you take, you can put, if there's like any kind of problem areas or areas you want to like hide, or I said that I carry a lot of my weight in my stomach. My arms are kind of small, but the most weight in my body is carried in my stomach. So she gives me a lot of flowy things that aren't going to be so tight so that they're more flattering. So you can kind of tailor it like that, which is really nice. And then we have our jewelry pieces. So you get bracelets and earrings. Oh, these are all individual little bangles. That's cool. So we have some of those. The necklace looks neat. It's adjustable. It's a little tangled. Let me figure out how it's supposed to look here. So there's like a bar up top, and then this part that dangles down, which is black and white. Really neat looking. And last we have the earrings. And here's what those look like. Oh, it's got like a little druzy kind of textured stones to them. That's really interesting. I don't know if you can tell on camera. And here's the piece of paper with the amounts and cost of everything. I'll go ahead and insert all pictures so that you can see the dresses and the tops better. And if you guys are interested, I will put a link below and a promo code in case you'd like to sign up for a subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.